So, guys, we're gonna be filling up my fridge in my new apartment.
Are you scared? Like,
So first, we're gonna be starting off with the pasta. We're just gonna put the pasta over here. Yeah, all the pasta.
yeah, that's because it's
All the pastas and the sour cream is gonna go in here. So now we're gonna put this box of cereal right here. Then we're gonna put this lettuce over here. Then we're gonna put this right there. Now we're just gonna put the noodles in. Put the shrimp in. Okay, now put the chicken in there. Put that down there. Put the 3 sauces up because like the sauces need to be up. Okay, and now I'm gonna put that right there. Oh my gosh. And that was it. Bye guys.